Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So in the previous video we have seen the solutions for Vishal topic from the chapter How Much Does It Weigh. So already we have seen the solutions for A, B and C bits. So today we will know the solutions for bit number D and bit number E. So what is the problem number D? If Vishal paid rupees 1000 for all the material given above, then how much did he pay for 8 kg of plastic material? Okay, total 3 materials cost is given as 1000 rupees and he is asking what is the cost of 8 kg of plastic material, and along with that one more question he is asking how much did he pay for 1 kg of plastic material. So for the purpose what should we do? We have to find out the sum of the total amount of the remaining two materials. What was that? Total cost of newspaper, 45 kg of newspaper and 26 kgs of scrap iron. Okay, and whatever the sum we will get, that should be subtracted from 1000. Okay, let's see the solution. So what is given? Given that total paid amount is 1000 rupees. So total paid amount means what the things he has purchased. So it is the cost of 45 kg of newspaper and 26 kgs of scrap iron and 8 kg of waste plastics. These complete cost, if we add them, you will get 1000. He is given in the question. So we got to know that by solving the B and C bits of the same question, we got to know that the cost of 1 kg of old newspaper, 1 kg of old newspaper we are getting in 8 rupees, and scrap iron 1 kg he has purchased in 20 rupees. Okay, and what he has given, the total cost is equal to 1000. Okay, how do we get the 1000? When we got to know the total cost of 45 kg of old newspaper and the total cost of 26 kgs of scrap iron and total cost of 8 kg of waste iron. Okay, now so 1 kg of old newspaper is 45 rupees, but what is the total quantity? 1 kg of old newspaper is 8 rupees. So how many kgs of old newspapers are there? 45. So how do we get the total cost? By multiplying 8 and 45. So 8 and 45. Okay, now we need to find out the total cost of scrap iron. For that purpose what we should do? We have to multiply. Okay, multiply, but which two numbers? The total quantity of scrap iron and rate of 1 kg of scrap iron. What is that? 20. So we need to multiply 26 into 20. Okay, now total cost of 8 kg waste plastic, but in the previous problem also we didn't get any rate for waste plastics, neither for 1 kg nor for the total 8 kg. So this we need to find out in this problem. So now 8 into 45 if you multiply we will get 360. 26 into 20 we will get 520. Total cost will be kept as it is equal to 1000. Okay, now we here both the integers are there with positive sign, so we need to add them. Okay, after adding write it as it is. Then total cost of 8 kg waste plastic is equal to 1000. Now here we want to know only total cost of 8 kg plastic, so it is unwanted for us. 880 rupees is unwanted for us, so we need to remove. How can we remove? First look at the sign with 880, it is in plus. If we want to remove the plus numbers, obviously what we have to do? We have to subtract the same number. Where we have to subtract? It is in equation, so on both the side of the equation we have to subtract. Okay, so this side also minus 880 and 1000 minus 1000 minus 880. Okay, 1000 minus 880. When we are subtracting, what do we get? 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 8 is not possible, so we need to take borrow. Again side one is also 0, so what we have to do? We have to take borrow from the next to the next. So it will become 10. Now this 10 will give 1 to this 0, so it will become 10, and here it will become 9. So 10 minus 8 means 2. Here 9 was there, so 9 minus 8 means 1. Okay, so we get 120. So but what is this? This amount is for 8 kg of waste plastic. So in the question we have asked to find out the two answers. What is that? 8 kg of waste plastic cost, along with that 1 kg of waste plastic cost. Okay, so we have got that 8 kg of waste plastic we get in 120 rupees. So now we need to find out the cost of 1 kg of waste plastic. Okay, in the previous, while solving the previous problems, one thing was discussed, that to keep it in mind forever, when the bigger quantity amount is given to you and smaller quantity amount is asked to you, bigger quantity amount is given to you and the smaller quantity amount is to be asked. Okay, then what you have to do, whether you have to do a multiplication or division. So in this case what you need to do means, bigger quantity amount is given, but from big to small you are going, the question is asked in decreasing order. So decreasing order you have to go for division. So here we have to divide. What we have to divide? We have to divide 120 by 8. So 8 divides 120. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, but 16 is more than 12. So we have to take 8 ones are 8. So 12 minus 8 means 4. Followed number is 0. So next do the 40 number come in 8 table? S. When 8 fives are 40. So here remainder will be 0. So what the answer we are getting here? We are getting 15 as the answer. So the cost of 1 kg of waste plastic is 15 rupees. Okay, hope you got the concept. Now let's move to E question. Okay, so what is E problem here? Vishal sold each of the 3 items for rupees 3 per kg more than what he has purchased them for. So how much has he earned in the day? So he purchased the 3 material in some amount. वो जो है ना एक कोई amount में खरीदे. But how he is selling those materials means by increasing the amount by 3. By adding 3 to the purchased amount, he is selling the materials. So he obviously, when he is adding some amount to the purchased amount means he is getting some profit. But how much he is getting, we need to find out. Okay, let's see the solution. Okay, see the solution. Vishal sold each of the 3 items for rupees 3 per kg more than he had purchased them. Okay, जितने भी अमाउंट में उन्होंने ख़रीदे उससे 3 रुपये बढ़ा के जो है ना पर केजी वो बेच दे रहे. सो दिस टेबल विल हेल्प यू टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट. So I have prepared the table by taking 3 columns: material and 1 kg cost, that is previous and new, and net quantity. What is the quantity? How much quantity is being purchased and sold out? So old newspaper total कितनी quantity था यहाँ पर? 45 kgs था. Okay, and scrap iron 26 kgs था. Waste plastics 8 kgs था. Okay, एंड प्रीवियसली व्हाट वाज द रेट, मीन्स उनके परचेजिंग रेट क्या था और उनका सेलिंग रेट क्या था. सो परचेजिंग रेट वाज न्यूज़पेपर 8 रुपीज़, स्क्रैप आयरन 20 रुपीज़ पर केजी का है ये. 1 kg को कितने में ख़रीदे? सो वेस्ट प्लास्टिक्स 15 रुपीज़ per kg. And new amount is how we are getting the new amount means what is given in the question, he sold it for रुपीज़ 3 पर kg more than he had purchased. मतलब जितने ख़रीदने से 3 रुपये एक्स्ट्रा. So 8 plus 3 you will get 11, 20 plus 3 you will get 23, 15 plus 3 you will get 18. Okay, so what is, this is not our solution. So what is our solution? How much he has earned on the day? So we need to find out the total amount with the new rates. Okay, so to get that, we need to find out the old newspaper total amount with the new rate, and scrap iron total cost and waste plastic total cost. Okay, so new, how will you get this? Means just multiply the last two columns. 11 into 45 will gives us the old newspaper total cost and selling cost. 23 into 26 will give us the total cost, total selling cost for scrap iron, and waste plastic total selling cost will be